Have you ever wondered why sweet foods are often associated with high energy? Let's explore the science behind sweetness and its impact on our body. Sweetness is one of the five basic tastes, primarily induced by sugars like sucrose or glucose. It's typically pleasing to our taste buds and signals a quick energy source. Sweet foods are generally considered energy-dense because of their macronutrient content. This means they contain high levels of carbohydrates, which provide a rapid source of energy. Sugar is found in many foods we consume daily: fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and even in processed snacks like candy or pastries. Each gram of sugar provides about 4 calories. Reducing the desire for sweetness can lead to lower energy intake, which might help in managing body weight according to some studies. This links sweetness directly with our dietary and health concerns. The concept of sweet extends beyond just food. Sweet smells are often connected with positive energy, encouragement, and spiritual guidance in many cultures. This connection highlights the broader impact of sweetness on human experience. Summary: the perception of sweetness is deeply tied to energy and health, affecting our dietary choices and even our spiritual well-being. Understanding this relationship can help us make more informed decisions about what we eat. Did you know how crucial sweetness is to energy intake? Share your thoughts on the impact of sweet foods in your diet and life. Let's discuss.